First, take newspaper, cut into small pieces and soak it in water for 1 to 2 hours. After 2 hours, grind it. After grinding, it will look like this. Now, take a sieve. Take a container with water which is bigger than the size of the sieve so that sieve can settle in it. Now, take out the sieve. Put spoonfuls of paper pulp in the container and mix. Don't allow it to settle down. Carefully keep the sieve inside. Let the paper pulp settle. Now carefully take out sieve. The pulp has settled in the sieve. Water will be drained out. Keep a cloth on it and press so that the excess water is removed out. Don't press hard. So now the water is removed. Carefully remove the cloth also. Now keep it on a dry cloth and dry it. Take a dry cloth and carefully flip it. Press it like this. Dry it in sun. If you want to make colored paper, I am making yellow. You can add turmeric powder into the water and put paper pulp and repeat the same process. If you are making of any other color, you can use poster color or any food color. After you have made all, keep them to dry. You can also put seeds in the paper. It can be used as a planter.